is from Uncle Peach.
Dad, I don't call him Peach. I call him Peach.
He's an Ann.
He's the Ann.
What do you think it is?
A gift for you. Merry Christmas, Pacie. We love and miss you. Hope you can visit Tampa,
Florida.
soon. And Uncle PJ.
And then you put Peach. And Aunt Ann. It's not Ann. The E is silent. Okay.
All right, baby girl.
Alright, just wrap it.
Yeah, I don't want to ruin that. I knew he was going to bring me this. Uncle Peach.
What is it?
OMG doll!
Is that the one that you wanted for Christmas?
Yeah.
Wow.
And who got it for you?
Uncle Peach. But I didn't want this section, but I love it.
You didn't love the what?
I don't know why he didn't read my mind for this one, but I love it.
Oh, you didn't want the Lone Star?
They chose the Lone Star because it's from Dallas, Texas.
Which one did you want?
The regular one that glows in the dark.
Oh, it's okay. This is the OMG doll remix, right?
What's the remix?
It's like the new version. It's not the newest version.
Pop
Ultra rare.
Kitty tail. Pop BB. Lone Star.
Honeylicious.
Honeylicious.
So cool.
So I don't know who that is, but
Lone Star.
Lone Star. Tell you. Hello, y'all. Welcome to Pacie in the City YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie. What's going on? What did you get there?
And I got this from my Uncle Peach from for Christmas today. And this is a little surprise. OMG dolls.
Remix. So this is what you really, really wanted for Christmas, right? And who got it for you?
My uncle.
Uncle Peach
Peach is his
and Tita.
and
Yes, from Florida, right?
yeah, let's get this baby open.
All right, show everybody the front and show the box and everything. It's so cool.
It's the
So there's
back.
4 different dolls, and when Pacie turns it around, we got her the Lone Star because we're from
Texas.
Oh yeah.
So let's see how to open it.
Okay.
There's an arrow here that's pointing this
Do you
side.
need me to help you?
I think I got it.
It's like a little record. Isn't that cool?
Got it unbacked.
Got it, Pace?
Yeah, you're right. I got Lone Star.
Let me see. Here, I'll help you.
I really want.
Here,
kitty.
pull that side.
I really
There
want.
you go.
I really.
Wow, look how
And look what
cute!
comes left.
Cute!
Look.
What? Oh!
Oh my God. So there's like surprises.
Yeah, see where else there's surprises at.
Oh. Okay, let's open the surprises.
Okay.
Oh, this is like a little shoe box. And here's another one. Oh my God, these are
How many blind bags did you have so far?
2.
Ooh, look at her boots, Pace!
Oh my God, you have to show this to the Pacers.
Yes, look at these Pacers.
Yeah, they look like some cowboys.
Yeah, they look like the Dallas Cowboy cheerleader boots. So cute. Oh, little sunnies.
Let's like find more surprises.
Look, oh, there's some more in here, Pacie.
Oh my God, she looks so
Do you love her?
Yeah.
And this is what you really, really wanted for Christmas?
Okay, so
What's that?
I'm with my crew. We remixed this ride. We rode a roll. That's right. We're LOL surprise. Don't be a square. Come on, friends. And never gone. Yo are my crew. My
The Did they say y'all? We say y'all.
They'll make you and my what?
All right, Pacie. So mommy got everything out of the box, right? All right. So what do you want to do first? Look, this is so cool, Pacers. It's a record player, and you turn it around, and it plays this song. So cool, right, Pace? All right, you ready to open up all the other blind bags? Let's go. We got 4 blind bags.
But 4 plus 2 more equals 6.
Yeah, there were 6 total blind bags, and then when we got everything out of the box, we found out there was 4 more. What is it? An outfit, Pace? OMG, look at that coat. So cute.
Oh, look at this looks like a dress.
Yeah, okay. Well, what's the rest of it?
Okay, so this one's gonna be next.
What is that? Her guitar?
Guitar.
Guitar. That's what I said. Alrighty.
Okay, let's open this one. Ooh, this one looks like a cheetah print. This one's cool, right?
Oh my gosh. Is that her dress? Let me see.
It doesn't say on the box. It is her dress, I guess.
Oh, it is her dress. That's cute. A little top and
This one's the last one.
skirt. What's that? What is it? Show the Pacers. Oh, and those are her chaps? Let's see.
It's pants too, you know.
Well, in the Western world, those are called chaps. So cute!
Let's get her dress.
All right, you ready to get her dressed?
Yeah.
All righty, Pacie.
Yeehaw.
So you got Lone Star all dressed up?
Look at her legs crossed.
Oh, so cute. Bring her closer to the camera so they can see her
So
outfit.
can I tell you something? There's another cowgirl I know.
Who?
Applejack!
Oh, that's a My Little Pony, right?
Yeehaw! I like cowgirls!
Oh, what a cute little set here. Alrighty, baby. What else do you want to tell the Pacers?
Let me tell you something. This guitar is really pretty, but let me tell you something. What else? Lone Star, and it says something. Giddy up. Boom. Oh, my supers. Can you read this? At the bottom.
It says giddy up, and then it's like talking about
Horses.
bling on my spurs.
What is that?
I guess it's her song or talking. Yeah. Oh, it's a music zine, so it's like a magazine talking about her life as a LOL surprise remix.
But I just have a question. Can you just hand that box to me for a minute?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, why is her face gray?
That's just how the artist, the marketing person made their box.
And can I tell you what's to say? Hey, sis. This
Alrighty.
is what I really want next time.
Okay.
It's Kitty K.
Okay. Maybe for your birthday. All right.
Yeah, maybe.
Alrighty.
Wait, before I leave Pacers, I have one more thing to say, okay? She looks like Anna.
Okay. Yeah.
Braids.
Yep. Because of the braids. You're right.
Thank you, everyone, watching your video. Bye-bye, deuces. Please like and subscribe.